Hello friends, here's the new Content Hub summary. But first, let's start on setting up our brand voice. We go to Settings, Account Defaults, and here we can see the new brand voice tab. Our brand voice can be used to stay on brand across all our marketing assets. By adding text examples, we are going to set up personality, tone, and mission. Also, we can configure our channel settings. And now let's go to Content Hub. Here at Remix, we have templates and our saved remixes. For this example, we will set up a new remix. We select the content type, add the content example, and the AI will create the blog post using our brand voice. We can now select the type of content we want the AI to create, in this case an image, a landing page, and an email. We can set style and image dimensions. For the landing page, we can input the objective, and so on for the other assets. Now, we have a lot of different content format types made very quickly by the AI. Of course, we can edit them because the AI is helping us get there faster, but we always want to add our human touch. And when editing, we can also add our brand voice again for specific text and regenerate if we don't like it. Searching for images online is very difficult, so this feature will save you tons of time. With AI, we can create multi-language variation blocks. There are a lot of languages to choose. We can also generate new blog posts, landing pages, or websites, and it will always keep our brand voice. We generate the idea or we introduce our idea. Keywords, target, audience, and we click next. We choose which title we like the most. It will give us the monthly search volume by SEMrush, difficult to rank, and our key intents. If we like it, but not enough, we can regenerate. We can also change our paragraphs, headers, and talking points. Awesome features. See you next time.